In 2008, during the global financial crisis, while millions were pulling their money out of the market, a man in Omaha, Nebraska did something different. He bought more stocks. That man was Warren Buffett. When asked why, he said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." Fast forward to today, those investments he made during a time of panic are worth billions. So why is it that some people win big while others stay stuck or even lose money? The truth is, successful investing isn't about luck or timing the market perfectly. It's about following the right principles and sticking to them over time. If you're just starting out and want to build wealth without getting lost in jargon or hype, these 7 golden rules will set the foundation for your investing journey. Let's dive in. Rule 1. Start early. Time is your best friend. Meet Emma and Jake. Both are 25 years old. Emma starts investing $200 per month immediately. Jake waits until he's 35 to start, but invests $400 a month, twice as much. By the time they're 65, who has more money? Emma wins. Even though she invested less total money, compound interest worked in her favor because she started earlier. That's the magic of compounding. It's not how much you invest, but how long you let your money grow. The sooner you start, even if it's just $50 a month, the better off you'll be. Rule 2. Don't try to time the market. Trying to guess when to buy low and sell high sounds smart, but even the pros get it wrong. Take the S&P 500, for example. From 2003 to 2022, if you missed just the 10 best days in the market, your returns were cut in half. Why? Because some of the best market days come right after the worst ones. If you panic and pull your money out, you miss the rebound. The key is consistency. Invest regularly, through all seasons. It's called dollar cost averaging, and it removes the emotion from investing. Rule 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine this. You put all your money into one hot tech stock. Let's say it's 2021 and you're all in on Zoom or Peloton. A year later, that stock crashes by 70%. Now what? Diversification spreads your money across different types of investments: stocks, bonds, real estate, international markets. So if one goes down, the others may hold you up. You can do this easily through index funds or ETFs like VTI, Total US Stock Market, or VXUS, International Stocks. These give you instant diversification, hundreds or even thousands of companies in a single fund. Rule 4. Know what you're investing in. Would you buy a car without knowing how it runs? Probably not. But many people buy stocks or crypto just because it's trending on Reddit or TikTok. Blind investing is gambling. Before putting your money into anything, ask, what does this company do? How do they make money? What are the risks? Is it profitable? And no, you don't need to be a financial analyst. A simple Google search, reading their earnings reports, or watching a few breakdown videos can go a long way. Be curious. Invest in what you understand. Rule 5. Avoid high fees. They eat your wealth. Slowly. Imagine you invest $10,000 in a fund that earns 7% annually. If it charges 1% in fees, after 30 years, you'll have around $57,000. If it charges just 0.05%, you'll have $76,000. That's a $19,000 difference just because of fees. Always check the expense ratio on mutual funds or ETFs. Look for low-cost index funds from providers like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Their fees are often below 0.1%. And if you're working with a financial advisor, make sure they're a fiduciary, someone legally required to act in your best interest. Rule 6. Emotions are the enemy of smart investing. The market goes up, the market goes down. That's normal. But when fear kicks in, like during a crash, people panic sell. When hype kicks in, like during a bull run, people overbuy. Both are driven by emotion, not logic. The best investors stay calm. They trust their plan. They don't make decisions based on headlines or Twitter trends. One way to control emotion? Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers into your investment account every month. When it's out of sight, it's out of mind. And that's often a good thing. Remember, your job is not to beat the market, it's to stay in the market. Rule 7. Have a clear goal and a long-term plan. Ask yourself, why are you investing? What's the timeline? How much risk can you handle? If you're saving for retirement 30 years from now, you can handle more ups and downs. But if you're buying a house in 3 years, you'll want safer investments. Having a clear goal helps you choose the right tools, like IRAs for retirement or a brokerage account for general investing. And it helps you stay focused when things get bumpy. A solid long-term plan turns investing from something stressful into something empowering. Investing isn't about being perfect, it's about being disciplined. Start early, stay consistent, keep it simple. Avoid noise. And most importantly, be patient. Wealth doesn't grow overnight, but with the right habits and mindset, it grows steadily, quietly, and powerfully. Just like Warren Buffett, you don't need to be flashy. You just need to play the long game.